Hello friends, welcome back to Relief Tutorials. So in the previous lecture we have learned how to find the difference when two consecutive terms are not given. See here, this is T2 and this is T4. They are not consecutive, and if you want to find the difference we use the formula D is equals to Tm minus Tn upon M minus N. So here this two term is given Tm and Tn. So you will write D is equals to Tm minus Tn upon M minus N. So T2 minus T4 upon 2 minus 4. Clear? You can write T4 minus T2 upon 4 minus 2 also. In any order you can take. Okay? And we will get the difference. Clear? So with this theory will be used. Now we will start with our exercise 5.2. So exercise 5.2. See in your textbook. Exercise 5.2, question number 1. See, fill in the blanks here. Look at the table given in your textbook. Here it is given A is equals to 7, first term. Difference is equals to 3. N is equals to 8. And you have to find nth term, Tn equal to question mark. Have you got it, friends? See now. So n is equals to 8. I told you that if you want to find any term, Tn, you require two things, A and D. Here n is given 8. So Tn you have to find out, and n is equals to 8. So we can say here Tn, so that is equals to Tn, n is equals to 8. So T8 you have to find out. So T8 is equals to A plus 7D. Clear? 8 means 7D. Now A is 7 plus 7 into difference. Difference is given 3. So that is equals to 7 plus 7 3s are 21. So that is equals to 28. So 8th term of the series is 28. Clear? So this is question number 1. Now 2. So look at the table. What is given here? Second. A is equals to minus 18 is given. A is equals to minus 18. Clear? Difference not given. So difference equal to question mark. N is equals to 10. And Tn, nth term, that is Tn is equals to 0. Clear? So what is given here? See Tn, nth term equal to 0 and n equal to 10. So we can say here Tn is equals to 0. Tn is equals to 0, n is equals to 10. So T10 is equals to 0. 10th term is 0. Now T10 means you know A plus 9D is equals to 0. We got the equation. Here A plus 9D is equals to 0. What is A? A is minus 18. So I can say here minus 18 plus 9D is equals to 0. So 9D is equals to minus 18 goes on other side, it will be 18. So 9D is equals to 18. So D is equals to 9 2s are 18. So D is equals to 2. So we got this D. D is equals to 2. Have you got it, friends? Simple. Clear? Now we will do question number 3. Question number 3. A is not given here. A is equals to question mark. Difference is equals to minus 3. See here. Difference is equals to minus 3. N equal to 18. N is equals to 18 and Tn is equals to minus 5. Have you got it, friends? Here we have find nth term. Here we have find out D. Now we have to find A. Simple. Tn is equals to minus 5. See here it is given. Tn is equals to minus 5 and n equal to 18. So T18 is equals to minus 5. T18 means A plus 17D, 1 less. Do you remember that? Is equals to minus 5. Now A is not given, plus 17. Difference is given, minus 3. That is equals to minus 5. So in this equation only one term is unknown, that is a. So now a plus into minus minus 17 3s are 51, that is equals to minus 5. Now a is equals to minus 5 minus 51 goes on other side plus 51. So a is equals to 51 minus 5. So 51 minus 5 is 46. So first term is 46. Have you got it? So we have done third one. Now fourth we are going to do. Fourth. What is given here? See. A is equals to minus 18.9. A is equals to minus 18. D is equals to 2.5. N is question mark. And Tn is equals to 3.6. So in this problem, what is missing? N is missing. See here, D was missing. Here, A was missing. Here, A was missing. Here, now N is missing. Clear? So look here. See the data. A is given, D is given, N is unknown, but Tn is equals to 3.6. So here it is given Tn is equals to 3.6. It is given. So you know the formula for Tn, that is A plus N minus 1 into D is equals to 3.6. So A is how much? Minus 18.9. It is given. See, A is minus 18.9 here. A is minus 18.9 plus N minus 1 into D. D is equals to 2.5. 2.5 is equals to 3.6. Clear? So now you can send here this minus 18.9 when it goes on other side plus 18.9, or just you can open the bracket also as you wish. If you want to open the bracket, you can open bracket. Minus 18.9 plus 2.5 into n. 2.5n minus 2.5 is equals to 3.6. Just I have opened the bracket here. Now minus 18.9 minus 2.5. Both are minus, so you will add 9 and 5. So that will be 4, 14. Carry 1. 8 to 10, 11, 11. Carry 1. So you will get 21.4 minus 21.4 plus 2.5n is equals to 3.6. Now this will send on other side. So 2.5n is equals to, this goes here, so plus 3.6. So 2.5n is equals to 21.4 plus 3.6, 4, 10, 0, carry 1, 3, 4, 5. So that is 25. So 2.5n is equals to 25. So you know that n is equals to 25 upon 2.5. So that is equals to how much? 10 times. So n is equals to 10. Clear? Now we are doing fifth problem. What is given here? A is equals to 3.5, D is equals to 0, N is equals to 105, then Tn is equals to question mark. So you have to find nth term. So now you know that Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Clear? So A is equals to 3.5 plus N minus 1. N minus 1. Okay, see here, sorry, Tn is 105. So T105 you have to find out. Okay friends, n is given, no, here n is 105. You have to find Tn. Tn means, see, just I will do here, see, Tn. So Tn is equals to T105. N is equals to 105. So 105. T105 means A plus 104D. 1 less. 105 means 104D. So now A is 3.5 plus 104 into difference. Difference is 0. So that is equals to 3.5. So therefore you can say T105 is equals to 3.5. Clear? So in this way we have completed our question. Okay. Now we'll do Exercise 5.2 textbook. Question number 2. Question number 2. What is the question? Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So you have to find 30th term of AP. AP is given. Which AP it is here? See. 10, 7, 4, dash, dash, dash. Okay. 4 options are given. You have to find 30th term. So here required series. You see what is our series? Series is here given. Series is 10, 7, 4, dot, dot, dot. So first term A is equals to 10 here first. Now difference D is equals to T2 minus T1. So T2 is 7 minus T1. T1 is 10. 7 minus 10. So that is equals to minus 3. We have consecutive terms. So directly we can find the difference. So we got A, we got D. I told you in order to find any term you require two things, A and D. Now you have to find 30th term. So T30 is equals to A plus 29D. 30 means 29. Clear? A is 10 plus 29 into D is minus 3. So that is equals to 10 plus into minus minus. 29 3s are 9 3s are 27. Carry 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 and 2 87. So 10 minus 87. So answer is minus 77. So if you look at the question, minus 77, option C. So answer is option C. Option C. Got it? Now question number, this first was, now 2. So 11th term of AP. 11th term of AP. AP is here minus 3 minus half 2 dot dot dot. See, look here. So here if you look at the problem, you know first term is minus 3. So I can write A is equals to minus 3. Clear? Now I want to find difference. Clear? So D is equals to T2 minus T1. So T2 is minus half. T2 minus half. Now minus T1. T1 is minus 3. So this will be minus half plus 3. Clear? So minus half plus 3, LCM here 2. So you will get here minus 1 plus 2 3s are 6. So that is equals to 6 minus 1, 5 by 2. So we got difference, we got A. Now you have to find 11th term. So T11 is equals to A plus 10D I can say. So what is A? A is minus 3 plus 10 into difference. Difference is 5 by 2. Clear? So that is equals to minus 3 plus 2 1s are here, 5s are. So 5 into 5, 25. So 25 minus 3, 25 minus 3 is 22. So 11th term is 22 of this series. Have you got it, friends? So you see the miracle, you can find any term of this series just in a fraction of seconds. Okay. So we have completed question number 2. Now see, friends, we are going to do third question. Exercise 5.2 textbook question number 3, 1. See, in the following APs, find the missing terms of the boxes. This was asked in 2015 CBSE. See, this box, first one it is given, here it is 2 given, then this is one box, then it is given 26. Have you got it, friends? Now this is first term, this is T2, this is T3. Okay, so you can say here, okay sir, first term is 2, so A is equals to 2. But in order to find difference, you require 2 consecutive terms, but you don't have 2 consecutive terms. Okay, so we can use that formula. But before that, say here, there are 2 ways. Now here I can say T1 is equals to 2, so A is equals to 2. Then you have T3. Okay, so T3 is equals to 26. T3 is equals to 26. So T3 means A plus 2D is equals to 26. Two values are unknown here, A and D, but you have A. So you will put here A2. So only one value will be unknown, D. So you can find D. So now 2 plus 2D is equals to 26. So 2D is equals to 26 minus 2. 26 minus 2 is 24. So D is equals to 12. So you got A, you got D. So if you have A and D, you can find any term of the series. So this is now which term? Second term. So you can say T2. T2 means A plus 1D. That is A plus D. So what is A? A is 2, D is 12. So 2 plus 12, that is equals to 14. Clear? So 2 plus 12, 14. 14 plus 12, 26. Have you got it? This is one way. Or, see here, or if you want to use the formula. Clear? Here you have T1 and here you have T3. So you can find the difference. How? Say D is equals to Tm minus Tn upon m minus n. You can use this as. So you have which? Here T3. This is T3. See, this is T3 and this is T1, term 1. So what you will say here? T3 minus T1 upon 3 minus 1. So T3. T3 is 26. Minus T1. T1 is 2. Upon 3 minus 1, 2. So 26 minus 2, 24 upon 2. So that is equals to 24 upon 2. That is equals to 12. So difference is 12. D equal to 12. Here also we got C. D is equals to 12. Here also we got D is equals to 12. So in this manner also you can find D. A already you have. You have A and D. You can find any term. Got it? So in this way also you can do the problem. Clear? Now, question number 2. See here. Box 13, box 3. So you don't have T1, A. You have T2. This is T2. See, this is T2, second term. This is fourth term, T4. So you have two terms, T2 and T4. Clear? So in two ways you can do. Directly if you want to find the difference by using this formula, you can use that formula also. Otherwise T2 equal to 13 and T4 equal to 3. You will get two equations. You have to solve those two equations. You will get A and D. Have you got it, friends? So how will do? Directly we will do D. So D is equals to what you can say here, come on, Tm minus Tn. So you can say Tm minus Tn upon m minus n. So that is equals to, here Tm you can take T2. So T2 minus Tn, that is T4 upon, you can write 2 minus 4. So D is equals to T2. T2 is 13 minus T4. T4 is 3 upon 2 minus 4 minus 2. So that is equals to 13 minus 3 minus 10 upon, plus 10. 13 minus 3 plus 10 upon minus 2. So answer will be minus 5. So you got directly D is equals to minus 5. Now you don't have A, but you have T2 equal to 13. So now you can say T2 is equals to 13. So T2 means A plus 1D. So A plus D is equals to 13. So what is A? We don't know. A plus D. D is how much? Minus 5. So minus 5 is equals to 13. So A is equals to this 13. Minus 5 goes here, plus 5. So A is equals to 13 plus 5. So that is equals to 18. So first term A is equals to 18. Clear? And what you have to find out again, this T3. T1, T2, T3. So again you can find T3. So T3 is equals to A plus 2D. So A is equals to 18 plus 2 into difference is minus 5. So that is equals to 18. Plus into minus 10. So that is equals to 8. So T3 is 8. Have you got it? See, if you don't want to use this formula, what you can do? See, that we will see. What you can do. How we can do? See here. How we can do. What you have? You have T2. So you can say T2 is equals to 13. So A plus D is equals to 13. You got this one equation. You don't have A also. You don't have D. Two equations. So this we can say 1. Clear? Now T4 is equals to 3. So T4 means A plus 3D is equals to 3. This equation 2. So you got two equation here. A plus D, A plus 3. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. You solve this equation. So first I will write A plus D is equals to 13. A plus 3D is equals to 3. Then change the sign. So here you will write minus, here also minus, here also minus, A minus A cancel. Now D minus 3D. So that will be minus 2D is equals to 13 minus 3. That is equals to 10. So D is equals to minus 5. What you got? D is equals to minus 5. Here what you got? D is equals to minus 5. So this will be little bit easier. See, you got D is equals to minus 5. Here also you got D is equals to minus 5. So you have T2 13, T4 3. You will get two equations from this. From this two given, these two things are given. From this you will get two equations. A plus D 13, A plus 3D 3. Now you will solve these two equations by elimination method. A will get cancelled. So only one value is remaining here, D. So you will get the value of D. If you substitute D is equals to minus 5 here, then you will get A. A and D both you will get. Substitute D equal to minus 5 in equation 1. D is equals to minus 5. So A is equals to 13 plus 5. That is 18. So you will get A is equals to 18. So either you solve these two equation and obtain A and D, or just by from here D you can find directly D, and then you have T2 is equals to 13. So A plus D equal to 13. You have D. You will put here D. So you will get the value of A. Have you seen the structure of a problem? Clear? So any method you can do. Now, question number 3. 5. Box. And 9 and a half. So you don't have two consecutive terms. Clear? You want to find T2 and you have to find T3. You have first term T1 and you have T4. So directly we can find D now. So D is equals to, you know that, Tm minus Tn. Okay, so you can say this is T4. See, this is fourth term and this is T1. So you can write anyway T4 minus T1 upon m minus n, 4 minus 1. D is equals to Tm minus Tn. Anything, T4 minus T1 upon 4 minus 1. So T4 is 9 and a half minus 5 upon 4 minus 1, 3. Clear? 9 and a half minus 5. So you will get 4 and a half. Clear or not? You will get 4 and a half. 4 and a half upon 3. Clear? 9 and a half minus 5. 4 and a half upon 3. So that is equals to 4 and a half means 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 2. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 2 upon 3. So we will get 9 by 2 upon 3. So that is equals to 9 by 2 into 1 by 3. 3 ones are here, 3s are. So that will be 3 by 2. So difference is equals to 3 by 2. Simple, just nothing. 9 and a half minus 5. So you will get 4 and a half upon 3. 4 and a half means 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 2 upon 3. So this is numerator as it is. When I multiply, the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. So you got 3 by 2. Okay. So you got difference, you got A. Also A is equals to 5. So you have A is equals to 5, you have difference equals to 3 by 2. Now you have to find second term. So T2 is equals to A plus D. So A is equals to 5 and difference is 3 by 2. So 5 plus 3 by 2. So 5 2s are 10 plus 3 by 2, LCM 2. That is equals to 13 by 2. So second term is 13 by 2. Now you have to find third term. So T3 is A plus 2D. So A is 5 plus 2 into difference. Difference is 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So that is equals to 5 plus 3. So that is equals to 8. You got it, friends? Very simple. Now question number 4. You have minus 4. Then box. Then 1 box. 1 more 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 bo and you have 6. So here you have first term A, T2, T3, T4, T5 you have to find out, and you have T6. So this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, T6. So what you will get here, T1 that is equals to A is equals to minus 4 and T6 is equals to 6. So we can find difference. No, we don't have any consecutive term, find to difference. So D is equals to what you can say, Tm minus Tn upon M minus N. This identity we have. So we will take T6 minus T1 upon 6 minus 1, 6 minus 1. So T6 is 6 minus T1 is minus 4 upon 6 minus 1 is 5. So minus into minus plus. So what you will get here answer, that will be minus into minus plus 6 plus 4, 10 by 5. So that is equals to 2. So difference is equals to. So you have D is equals to 2, you have A. So when you get A and D, you can find any term. Okay. Now you have to find T2. So T2 is equals to A plus D. So A is how much here? So A is minus 4. D is 2. So minus 4 plus 2. So that is equals to minus 2. You got T2. Now you will find T3. So T3 is A plus 2D. So A is equals to minus 4 plus 2 into difference 2. So that is equals to minus 4 plus 4. That is equals to 0. So T3 is 0. Now T4. T4 is equals to A plus 3D. A is equals to minus 4 plus 3 into difference 2. So that is equals to minus 4 plus 6. So that is equals to 2. Have you got it? So minus 2, 0, 2. Now you will get 5, 4. So T5 is equals to A plus 4D. A minus 4 plus 4 into difference 2. So that is equal to minus 4 plus 8. So that is equals to 4. So minus 4. Then T2. T2 is minus 2. Here minus 2. Then here T3. T3 you got 0. Then here you got 2. Here you got 4. Here you got 6. Have you got it, friends? So I hope you enjoyed this. Now we'll do the last question of this sub-question C now. Fifth. Box 38. Box minus 22. So we don't have T1, we have T2. So here T2 is equals to 38, T3, T4, T5, T6, and T6 is equals to minus 22. So A plus D equal to 38, A plus 5D. You get two equations, solve these two equations by elimination method, you will get A and D. This is one way. Otherwise, we can use our formula. What? D is equals to Tm minus Tn upon M minus N. So Tm I can say T6 minus T2 upon 6 minus 2. T6 is minus 22 minus T2. T2 is 38 upon 6 minus 2, that is 4. Clear? So what you will get here? Minus 22 minus 38, 2, 10. Carry 1, 6. Minus 60 upon 4. So that is equals to minus 15. So we got difference. Okay, we got difference. So difference is equals to minus 15. We got difference here. Now we want A. So here given no T2 is 38. So we'll use that now. Now T2 is equals to 38. So T2 means A plus D is equals to 38. So A we don't know, and difference is minus 15. So I can write here minus 15 is equals to 38. So A is equals to 38 plus 15. So A is equals to 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry 1, 3, 4, 5, 53. So A is equals to 50. So we got first term. A. T1 we got. Over. Now, you can find the term. So T1 means A is equals to 53 we got. This we have. Now this is what? Third term, T3. So you can say T3 is equals to A plus 2D. Now we have both the things A and D. So we can find any term T3 A plus 2D. So A is equals to 53 plus 2 into difference minus 15. So that is equals to 53 minus 30. 53 minus 30, 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 23. Okay friends, we got T3, T4 and T5. So now we'll find T4. So T4 is equals to A plus 3D. A is equals to 53 plus 3 into difference, that is minus 15. So 53 plus into minus 15 3s are 45. 53 minus 45, so you will get 8. So you got T4. Now we want A, we got T2, T3, T4, now T5. So T5 is equals to A plus 1 less, that is 4D. A is equals to 53 plus 4 into minus 15. So that is 53 minus 60. So you will get minus 7. So in this way we have find out each and every term. Clear? So with this I have completed your question number 3. Got it? Now see question number 4. Exercise 5.2 textbook question number 4. Which term of AP is 78? See here. Which term of AP, which AP here given 3, 8, 13, 18 dash 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 is 78. This is question. So you have to find out this is the AP. And which term of this AP is 78? See, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. We don't know which term is 78. So let it be nth term. Clear? So here AP is given. See, AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 dot. So here A is equals to 3. And difference D is equals to T2 minus T1. That is 8 minus 3. That is equals to 5. Why? Because consecutive terms are given. So directly we can find difference. And we don't know which term is this. See, 3 is first term, 8 is second term, 13 is third term, 18 is fourth term, 78 we don't know. So we can say Tn is equals to 78. Let it be nth term. And you know the formula of nth term. A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 78. So here we have to find out n. So A is how much? A is 3 plus n minus 1 into difference. Difference is 5 is equals to 78. Clear friends? So now 3 plus 5n minus 5 is equals to 78. So 5n, 3 minus 5 minus 2 is equals to 78. So 5n is equals to 78 plus 2. Minus 2 goes here. 78 minus 2 goes here. Plus 2. So 5n is equals to 80. So n is equals to 80 upon 5. Clear? So therefore n is equals to 80 upon 5. So 1 time 5. 30, 16. N is equals to 16. So therefore we can say T16 is equals to 78. So the 78 is the 16th term of this AP. Have you got it friends? Very simple. Clear? So now we have done question number 4. Now question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. See, you have to find number of terms in each of the following APs. Here 7, 13, 19, 205. This is AP. How many terms are there in this AP? This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. We don't know which term it is. So let it be nth term. So here it is given. So we can say A is equals to 7, D is equals to 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is equals to 6. We got. Now how many terms are there? So we don't know how many terms are there. So we'll suppose this is T1 first term, this is second T2, this is third term T3. This we don't know. So let same Tn is equals to 205. As usual we have done. Okay. So Tn is equals to 205. Now Tn means A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 205. Now A is 7 plus n minus 1 difference is 6 is equals to 205. So 7 plus 6n minus 6 is equals to 205. So 6n, 7 minus 6 is plus 1 is equals to 205. So 6n is equals to this plus 1 goes here minus 1, 205 minus 1, so 204. So n is equals to 204 upon 6. So n is equals to 6 3 times 18, 24. 6 4s are. So there are 34 terms in this series. This is T34. You have to find out how many terms are there in the given series. So we can say given AP has 34 terms. How many terms? 34. Clear? Now question number 2. 18, 15 and a half, 13, minus 47. You have to find number of terms in this series. So here it is given A is equals to 18. First term. Now difference is equals to 15 and a half. 15.5 we can say minus 18. T2 minus T1. So 15 and a half. 15.5 minus 18. So 15.5 minus 18. 3.5 we can say. 2.5. Sorry, I am mixing this up. How much? 2.5. Difference is 2.5. 15.5 minus 18. So difference is minus 2.5. Clear or not? 15.5 minus 18 minus 2.5. So now, how many terms? So we know that this is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Clear? Third term, this we don't know. So let Tn is equals to minus 47. Tn means A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to minus 47. So A is 18 plus n minus 1 into difference. Difference is minus 2.5 is equals to minus 47. You got it, friends? If you want to subtract, you can multiply this. Okay? Or you can do one thing. See, this plus 18 then goes on other side minus 18. As you wish. See now, 18 minus 2.5 into n. So minus 2.5 n minus into minus plus 2.5 is equals to minus 47. If you want to multiply, otherwise not necessary. This plus 18 will goes here, so it will get minus 18. Then you can set this in division. Clear? Have you got it? As you wish, however you want to do, you can do. Have you want to see? See, I will check. See. You are doing from since beginning, from lower standard you are doing this step. Now we'll see something new. So what you will get? See, n.1 into minus 2.5 is equals to minus 47. This plus 18 goes there, so minus 18. Clear? So now what you will do? n.1 minus 2.5 minus 47 minus 18, 7, 7, 14, 15, carry 1, 4, 5, 6, 65, minus 60. Clear? Now n minus 1 is equals to minus 65 upon this minus 2.5. Minus minus cancel. Have you got it? So now 2.5 upon 66. So you can write here 65 into 10 upon 25, multiplying numerator and denominator by 10 in order to reduce this decimal. You want to remove this decimal. Clear? So you want to remove this decimal, you have to multiply this with 10. So also numerator also will be multiplied by 10. So 5 5s are. 5 how many times you will get? 13s are. Clear? 5 1s are, here 2s are. So that will be how much? 26. So here n minus 1 is equals to 26. So n is equals to 26 plus 1. So n is equals to 27. So there are 27 terms. Nothing, just what I have done. See here, both are this in multiplication. So this plus I have gone there. So it become minus. Now you got minus 65 n minus 1. Now both of them are multiplication. So this one goes on other side division. Division. Minus minus cancel. 6.5 upon 2.5. So in order to remove this decimal, you have multiplied both numerator and denominator by 10. So you got 27. So n minus 1 equal to 27. So n is equals to 26 plus 1. N is equals to 27. Have you got it, friends? I hope you enjoyed this. So we have completed till 5th one. Remaining problem we will do in your next lecture. Till then, please go through each and every problems. Watch the videos twice or thrice. Make it clear. Okay. Thank you very much.